Hello, welcome to our channel. I will give a motivational speech to look at life with hope. I hope you will benefit. It is easy to give up in the face of life's difficulties. Sometimes we lose our hope, we feel lonely and helpless. But we should not forget that every difficulty is an opportunity. Every crisis is a lesson, every failure is an experience. We should believe in ourselves, be strong and fight to overcome the obstacles that life offers us. To look at life with hope, we should first love ourselves. We should accept ourselves as we are, highlight our talents rather than our flaws. We should set goals for ourselves, take steps to realize our dreams. We should focus on what we want, not what others say. To look at life with hope, we should secondly love our environment. We should value our family, friends, loved ones, spend time with them, support them. We should make room for people who make us feel good in our lives, stay away from people who harm us. We should establish positive and meaningful relationships in our lives. To look at life with hope, we should thirdly love the world. We should admire the beauty of nature, reciprocate the love of animals, respect the richness of cultures. We should not forget that billions of people living in the world are individuals. We should respect their rights and differences. We should contribute to making the world a better place. To look at life with hope, we should finally love the future. We should not be afraid of the uncertainty of the future, we should strive to shape it. We should imagine what we can do in the future, make plans, preparations. We should be open to surprises that await us in the future, adapt to change. Looking at life with hope is in our hands. We should see everything that life offers us as a gift, enjoy every moment. We should notice the beauty of life, overcome the difficulties of life. Whatever life gives us, we should always be hopeful.
Chilling when the rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.